Hola clase. Today we're going to learn the verb estar, which is to be, but in a temporary state or condition. So you already learned in the beginning of class to say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien, gracias. I am fine. And you also learned how to ask, ¿De dónde eres tú? Where are you from? Yo soy de Florida. ¿Y tú? So eres means you are, and soy means I am. So there's two ways to say these things, but we're just going to focus on estar and not the verb ser. So the verb estar sounds like estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis in Spain, it's you all, están, and están. So it doesn't follow 100% the regular pattern because the yo form has a Y, but it does have an O in there. Also, you need the accent marks, and especially for estás, because otherwise it means these. Notice that these four are the same. So usted está is you are, but it just shares the same ending as he or she is. And the same with están. You all are, but it shares the ending with they are. So some people like to use the acronym PLACE in order to remember when you use estar. So for example, the P stands for position. La puerta está cerrada. It's in the closed position. Location. Los libros están en la mesa, on the table. Action words. Yo estoy hablando por teléfono. I am talking on the phone. Condition. Estamos enfermos. And emotions. Ellos están contentos. I like to teach my students this simple poem because if you memorize it, you probably will be able to tell when to use ser versus estar. So it goes for how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. Again, for how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. So for how you feel are temporary emotions or states, and where you are is location. Let's take a look at the acronym once again. Position. For example, the lavatory or the bathroom is closed. El baño está ocupado. It's occupied. The curtains are closed. Las cortinas están cerradas versus open. And las ventanas están abiertas. It's a temporary state or condition or a position. The next one is location. For example, la manzana está encima de los libros. Or los libros están debajo de la manzana, encima del pupitre. So they're on top of the desk, but under the apple. El pupitre está en la clase. So for location, you use a lot of prepositions. Actions. El bebé está comiendo. So he is eating. This is the ing in English. Marco está corriendo. He is running. And Elena está escuchando la música. You also use it with conditions. Estamos enfermos. So it's a temporary state or condition. Hopefully we won't be sick forever. El lápiz está roto. Well, this is going to be broken probably forever, but it was once whole. And then la rueda está pinchada. The last one is emotions. Example, estoy enfadado. I am mad. Estoy emocionado. I'm excited. Están enamorados. They are in love. Estoy nerviosa. I'm nervous. Estoy muy triste. I'm sad. And estoy contenta. I'm happy. So remember the poem. For how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. These are temporary states or conditions. For everything else, you use the verb ser. I hope that helps.